wave, every time the wave is forming, every time it's about to crash, it's more of a bluish color. When it crashes, that's when the whitewash comes, and that's exactly how this indicator is created. So every time it's blue, that basically means that it's a long, and every time it is white, it means that it's a short. The market is going up, the market is crashing. It's bullish and then it's bearish. So let's just go over this on the Euro USD chart on the 1 hour time frame. So we're looking at this chart from about December 11th, 2019 to our present date of February 16th, 2020. As you can see over here, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades. And so you won't have to sit there and watch your chart all day, or you won't have to look at your cell phone every hour. You can get notifications sent directly to your phone, basically telling you when the market is changing trends. So if there's a new trend, if it's gonna go short, if it's gonna go down, then you're gonna get a notification saying that it's gonna go down based off of the indicator. So let's just go over which ones are winners and how many winners we had since December 11th to our present date. So that's one winner, two. This is a false bullish trend over here. You might have lost maybe not too much, maybe a few dollars, but you would have definitely made it back. This is a winner. This is definitely a big winner. Big winner. Big winner. Win. This seems like a minor loss, but you would have definitely made it back in the next trade. A big win and a huge win over here. This with a 1.0 standard lot size, which is 100,000 units on the TD Ameritrade broker, or a 1.0 standard lot size if you use MetaTrader 4. This could be almost a $2,000 trade. So let's look at this indicator on another chart. Let's say that you're not into Forex. So we're looking at it on Apple now. So this is the indicator on the Apple chart. As you can see over here, this is we're looking at it from May 2018. Actually, this is a very long. This is a 4-hour chart. So we're actually gonna look at this from 2019. So this is about a year. This chart is actually about 2 years, but we're gonna look at it from last year. As you can see, from January 2019, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. First, and like I said, you will receive a notification every time there is a change in the trend. Now, as you can see over here, bullish movement. Lots and lots of bullish movement. Over here, this might be a minor loss, but you would have made it back, plus more in the next trade. And then you would have made more in the next trade, more in the next one, more in the next one. And our current trade, you would be in profit. Not to mention, if you did get into the trade October 2018 and you held that short, you would have made a lot more as well. This is very simple, very easy, and a common question that comes up. A lot of people assume that you need lots and lots of money to do this. Now, you don't need lots and lots of money. You can start a trading account with $2,000. You can trade options with $2,000 with a TD Ameritrade broker. A lot of people think that if I buy one share of Apple over here at 154 and I sold it off over here, let's say I bought one at 150 over here and then I sold it off at 190, that's only $40. People think that that's only a $40 profit. Now, when it comes to stocks, yes, and you can buy lots and lots of shares like that, but you can also trade options. And trading options, and one option is equal to 100 shares. So do the math, figure out how much that is. It's a lot more than $40. A lot more. Now, let's look at another one. Let's look at the S&P 500 E-mini futures on a long hour time frame. Well, actually, you know what? Let's go back to Apple. Let's say you're not a long-term trader. Let's say you're a day trader. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Let's say you want to make your money faster. You want to trade within the same day. You want to just watch the market. You want to make moves quickly. You can trade on a 15-minute time frame. As you can see over here, this is from January 1st of this year. Let's start January 1st over here. You would have won this. So how many trades would that be since January 1st until present date? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So let's just look at it from over here. You would have won this trade, you would have won, broke even, won, you would have won. You would have won this trade, you would have maybe lost this trade. You would have been in profit in this trade, a little bit of profit. You would have won this trade, won this trade, won this trade, won this trade, and won that trade. Winner, winner, and this one seems like it's in consolidation, so we're going to see where it goes. It's currently in a short, but overall you would have made more. Now let's look at S&P 500 E-mini futures from September 2019. As you can see from then, there's been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 trades. Every time there's a new color, that basically means it's just the start of a new trend, it's the start of a new trade. And as you can see, it's been very, very bullish, but there has been money made when the market goes down. So this is the awake wave indicator.